It looks big. Better than I thought, like better than the picture.
This is David Lopez, and behind him is his 1985 Toyota pickup, which we restored to look like Marty McFly's truck in the movie Back to the Future. Let's get into today's video.
Back to the future! Get me started on the piston wires that'll burn.
Punch. Punch again. This truck is gonna need a lot of work and a lot of love. So much body work. This is only 2 small panels.
Great Scott!
Alright, so everything is in the booth getting ready for its final paint. We are that much closer to wrapping up the interior for the truck, and after that we'll go ahead and assemble everything and get it ready. Okay, since we're trying to go with a vintage look, we went ahead and removed these custom LED headlights, and we put in some factory Sylvania to get that real OEM classic look. Alright guys, and here is a final look at our rendition of a Back to the Future Toyota truck.
Check out that 4x4. That is hot.
Okay, back her up.
Someday, Jennifer. Someday.
So obviously you have to have the gloss black paint, the Smitty-built bars with the KC lights on the top of the roof right here on this roof bar. And we got the same wheels with the matching Goodyear tires. Earlier in the video you guys saw, you know, that ugly brown interior. We have done a full conversion to gray and it looks great. I mean, literally this thing was all hacked up, dash was cracked, but everything really came together on the interior with, you know, a little bit of audio as well. And other than that, I mean, I think it came out really good, guys. I think we really did everything from the bars to the bumpers. What I am most proud of is the bodywork. The bodywork really, I mean, this is a gloss black car. You're gonna notice everything on the gloss black car, and it literally is as straight as an arrow. Not one single ding or dent on this thing. And it was, you know, pretty much a full restoration, new gaskets, new glass, pretty much new everything. So that's gonna wrap it up today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys haven't checked out our merch site, you can get stuff like this snapback hat, our Champion collabs, SOS Custom shop jacket, and these ultra comfy SOS Custom sweats. I'm literally swaggered out in the SOS Custom stuff, and this is a hoodie as well. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please take a second out your day to go ahead and like and subscribe and hit that notification button, because we have some very important updates coming on some of our builds right now. And also, I'm going to go ahead and drop our links. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram. Follow the shop, your boy and my brother Saul. That's going to wrap it up for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered.